Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the Jordan 5 Fire Reds, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and my song of the week is going to be Juice WRLD's Sometimes. So this song technically isn't released yet, it's just a leak, but it's been out for like ever. I remember listening to this song for like months and months now, and it is fucking amazing. Easily top 5 Juice WRLD songs of all time. You guys should really go listen to it. It's really long, it's like 4 minutes long. I'll link the video down in the description because I only found it on YouTube. Sometimes it's on Spotify, but it like gets deleted, and it gets deleted far more often on Spotify than it does here on YouTube. So I'll link it down in the description. You guys should really go check it out. But yeah, let's get into the review. It comes in, it's just a regular Jordan 5 box. The only difference is it has a Nike Air at the top instead of a Jumpman Air, which they just try to make it look like the OG box. This is the size tag. $200 was retail, which is a lot, but man, can't do anything about it. Size 9, that's my true to size. And I haven't seen these yet, so I'm really excited to take a look at these. We got the little stamp, the other like sticker, and let's look. Oh shit, these are clean. All right, let me take them out. And ever since I got like my first pair of Jordans, I did not like this paper. I don't know what it is, but I still don't like it to this day. But whatever, it's just a paper. Let's take a look at the shoes. All right, let's spin them around. These are fucking clean, bro. All right, so these are fucking amazing quality. It's soft. I mean, it's not like the worst. It's not like shattered backboard or anything, but they're really fucking nice. It's okay. They're kind of soft. I feel like this one's a little bit softer than this one for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, this one's a little bit softer. That's weird. Anyways, one of the most like noticeable things about the Jordan 5 has to be this little. They're called shark teeth. Basically, they're inspired by World War II planes. They would have like little sharks on the side of the plane, and this is inspired by the shark teeth. So in case you didn't know that, now you know. So this has to be one of the most iconic Jordan 5s of all time. The only other one I could think of has to be maybe the Prince of Bel-Air ones, or the Great 5s. Which other ones? The Metallic 5s. Those are probably the most iconic ones of all time. But these are fucking amazing. I'm so glad I picked these up. I got these from DTLR. I got them for $200, which was retail, which is fine. It's a lot, but there's nothing you can do about it. Come with a little paper on the tongue, which is actually reflective, in case you didn't know. If you shine a light at it, it'll reflect. Icy blue bottom, which looks fucking amazing. These will get yellow, by the way, really fast, so I don't know how it will look like after yellows. This is probably the best they'll ever look straight out the box without doing anything to them. We got the lace locks. I normally take mine out because I don't like how they look, but yeah, unless you put them right here. I know sometimes I put it there, but most of the time I just leave it out because I don't really feel like untying everything, putting it in. But if you're into that, you have them. Insole says Nike Air. The tongue, Air Jordan. And if we take a look at the back, you guys probably saw it says Nike Air instead of the regular Jumpman, and I'm super fucking happy they did Nike Air. If they did just the regular Jumpman, I probably wouldn't have picked them up, but it just looks so much better with the Nike Air. Like, it looks so clean. I'm really happy they did that. I don't know what it is too, because like the Jumpman, it looks fine. Like, I don't have anything wrong with it. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, but it just looks so much better with the Nike Air. We got like the bubbles. It's a really bulky shoe. I don't know if you could tell. Look at that leather. Really nice and soft. Yeah, there's a lot of padding, so I normally wear a size 9 in all my Jordans, so I got a size 9. So hopefully there isn't a problem. I'll let you guys know when I do the on feet if there is. But yeah, I fucking love these. I remember having the low top version. I don't know if I said that already. And they were fucking amazing. So I'm super happy I was able to pick up the high top because I always wanted the high tops, but I could never get them because I didn't want to pay. Like, I think they were going for 300, and they were like really old at the time. So I'm glad I was able to pick these up. And yeah, let's get into the on feet. Hey, actually, before we get into the on feet, this is how it looks like with the flash on. They're really fucking bright. So when you take pictures or anything, you'll see the reflective tongue. But yeah, let's get into the on feet. Alright, so this is how they look on feet. I'll actually be giving you guys another look if you want to see how they look like with the reflective tongue. But yeah, this is how they look. When you're sitting down, this is what you'll see. Stand up, and yeah, they look fucking amazing. They're super clean. They'll go with everything. Here, let me show you guys another look. Fucking amazing. I didn't put the lace tags on because I don't like how they look. See that Nike ear in the back? Right there. If you're wondering, I'm just wearing regular American Eagle jeans. And yeah, they look super clean, but let's see how they look with the flash on. Alright, so with the flash on, you can see they're really fucking bright. And you'll pretty much never see it like this unless you're like taking pictures. But in case you were curious, this is how they look like. Another look. Yeah, super clean. Pretty much nothing changes in like the back or anything. But yeah, that's how they look like. You're sitting down, in case you're like shooting a video or something. That's how they look like. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these. Did you guys pick them up? And if you did you pay a resale? Did you get them for retail like me? Let me know what you guys did. Thanks for watching.